As of August 2nd, 2026, every major AI image, video, and audio tool used in California must label its output as AI generated, or face $5,000 per day per violation. California SB 942 just went live. Here's exactly what changed, who it covers, and what it means if you're creating AI content right now. California's AI Transparency Act, enacted as Senate Bill 942, requires large AI providers to label the content their systems generate and to offer free public tools for detecting that content. 3 specific requirements. First, a free, publicly available AI content detection tool. Anyone can use it to check whether an image, video, or audio file was generated by that provider's AI. Second, visible labeling. SB 942 requires large AI providers to include a label on AI-generated content so users know it wasn't made by a human. Third, invisible watermarking. Beyond what you can see, the law requires hidden data inside files so that other software can detect AI content, even if the visible label is cropped out. The law aligned its effective date with the EU AI Act, and violations run $5,000 per day per instance, enforced by the California State Attorney General. Coming up, which specific tools are covered by this law, and the one detail that matters most if you are a content creator using any of these tools right now. The law applies to providers whose generative AI systems draw more than 1 million monthly visitors or users and are publicly accessible within California. That threshold captures every major foundation model laboratory: OpenAI, Anthropic, Google DeepMind, Meta, XAI, and every significant mid-market image, audio, and video generation platform. Midjourney, ElevenLabs, Suno, Adobe Firefly, and similar services that operate at scale in the California market. The key thing to understand, this doesn't apply to you as a content creator directly. It applies to the platforms you use. The tools have to build the watermarking and labeling infrastructure. You just need to know it's there. If you're making AI-generated videos, images, or audio for YouTube or any public platform, here's the practical impact. The content you export from tools like ElevenLabs, Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, or InVideo AI will now carry embedded C2PA compatible metadata, invisible watermarks that identify the file as AI generated. That metadata travels with the file, even if you crop, compress, or edit it. Platforms like YouTube are already building detection tools that read this metadata. A B853 also added a hosting platform obligation starting January 1st, 2027, meaning platforms hosting AI content will be required to surface the labels, not just the providers generating it. For creators, this is mostly neutral. Transparency about AI content is becoming the standard, and channels like ours that are upfront about using AI tools are better positioned than channels that aren't. SB 942 is one of several AI transparency laws taking effect across the US in 2025 and 2026, but its technical specificity and media-specific scope set it apart from earlier frameworks. California is the 5th largest economy in the world. When California passes a technical compliance law requiring watermarking and detection tools, the practical reality is that every major AI provider builds the infrastructure globally, not just for California users. The same C2PA watermarking that SB 942 requires will be in every export from every major tool, everywhere. This is how California regulations tend to work. The market is too big to build a California-only version, so the standard becomes the standard. AI content labeling is now law in the largest US tech market. The infrastructure is being built. The platform obligations kick in January 2027. For anyone creating AI content, whether that's for YouTube, social media, or business use. Knowing this exists and staying transparent about AI use is the right move now, before regulators make it mandatory everywhere. Subscribe for more real AI and tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.